This video is sponsored by Carlson, manufacturer of disc and drum brake hardware, electric wear sensors, and brake lines. Visit carlsonqualitybrakeparts.com for more information.
Hi, I'm Josh Cable, editor of Counterman. Replacing the brake hardware with every brake job is a simple and inexpensive way to extend the life of new brakes. Whether your customer is a professional technician or a do-it-yourselfer, make sure they purchase a complete brake hardware kit to get the job done right. Hardware kits for disc brakes generally include pad clips and/or caliper abutment clips, caliper pin bushings, pad or caliper spreader springs if required, along with any clips on pad wear sensors. Hardware kits for drum brakes can be sold as all-in-one kits that include hold-down springs, hardware, and self-adjusting components for an entire axle application. They also can be sold as smaller kits consisting only of hold-down hardware or self-adjuster kits for either the left or right side of the vehicle. Small hardware items such as bleeder screws, banjo bolts, crush washers, e-brake connector clips, and brake fittings often are the only item preventing your customer from finishing a brake repair. However you stock these components, you always should recommend replacing all the brake hardware with every brake job to maximize brake performance and to protect your customer's investment in new brakes. I'm Josh Cable. Thanks for watching.